In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Sell the Trend to help you decide if it's the right dropshipping research tool for you. I'm going to explain how Sell the Trend stacks up in many different departments, such as product discovery features, which I think is arguably one of the most important features of the tool. I'll also talk about supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, customer support and community, and much, much more. Now, for your convenience, I've actually included the link to Sell the Trend down in the description below. Choosing the wrong tool for your e-commerce business can cost you a lot of money and waste a lot of time. So make sure you don't skip around in this video. Watch all the way to the end because that's going to help you make the right decision. Let's start with the product discovery features. Sell the Trend offers a robust product discovery suite featuring an AI-powered discovery engine known as the Nexus. This engine curates products from a variety of sources including AliExpress, Amazon, and Shopify stores, providing users with a rich selection of trending items. The platform also allows for extensive filtering options such as product cost, selling price, and potential profit margins, which are super valuable for targeting specific markets and niches. But what about market analysis? Market analysis on Sell the Trend is detailed and actionable. The platform provides insights into trends, competition levels, and demand for each product. Additionally, it features a trend tracker that monitors real-time data on product popularity, helping users make timely decisions based on current marketing dynamics. What about integration with platforms? Sell the Trend excels in its integration capabilities, particularly with Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products directly into their Shopify stores with just a few clicks. The platform also supports integration with WooCommerce, making it versatile for users across different e-commerce platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, the tool includes access to a comprehensive database of suppliers, complete with ratings and reviews to ensure reliability and quality. This feature is particularly useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish long-term relationships with trusted suppliers. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? Sell the Trend offers advanced tools to calculate potential profitability, including detailed cost breakdowns and suggested selling prices. This helps users to effectively price their products to maximize margins while remaining competitive. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Well, the user interface of Sell the Trend is modern and intuitive. New users can easily navigate through its various features without feeling overwhelmed, thanks to a well-organized dashboard and clear instructional guidance. But what about their customer support and community? Like, what if you need help with something? Well, Sell the Trend provides robust customer support, including live chat. As you can see right here, you can click this button and you can get help through the bot as well as with a real person. Additionally, they also have an active community of users who can be a great resource. They share tips, strategies, and advice as well. So it's really a wholesome community if you want to get into the dropshipping space. But what about their pricing? So let's talk about their pricing structure. As you can see, they've got two different plans here, keeping it very simple, the monthly and the yearly plan. If you go with the yearly plan, you actually get 2 months for free, so that saves you quite a bit of money. If you look at the monthly plan, you're paying about $40 a month for their essential plan and about $100 a month for their pro plan. And so you can see what they're offering here in each of these. They're offering pretty much unlimited everything with the pro plan, so you're good to go. But you can check them out. You can actually use the link in the description to start a free trial and see which one you like. Let's talk about the automation features now. Sell the Trend includes several automation features such as automated store synchronization and AliExpress order fulfillment, which significantly reduce the manual effort that's required for managing your dropshipping business. But what about analytics and reporting? Well, the analytics and reporting tools provided by Sell the Trend are comprehensive. Users can track sales, monitor inventory levels, and analyze performance data data to optimize your strategies. Now, unfortunately, if you're planning on using Sell the Trend on your phone, they don't have a mobile app right now, so that might not be super convenient for you, but they might release that in the future. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, the feedback for Sell the Trend is overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its extensive product discovery features and effective market analysis tools. However, some users have noted that it would be nice to have a mobile app. As you can see, there's tons of really amazing success stories, and a lot of YouTubers and people that you've probably heard of use Sell the Trend to run their dropshipping business. Sell the Trend is an excellent choice for dropshippers seeking a powerful and intuitive tool to enhance their product discovery and market analysis capabilities. With a strong platform integration and comprehensive feature set, it suits both beginners and experienced merchants. The only notable gap is the absence of a mobile application, which could enhance the management if you're on the go, but that might get added in the future. While Send the Trend is a great research tool for dropshipping, Shopify is easily one of the most popular platforms in the world for running your entire e-commerce business. Shopify also pairs really well with Sell the Trend, as I've also kind of mentioned already. So I would highly recommend trying out Shopify. Using the link in the description, you can actually get a free trial for 3 days, and then after that it's $1 for an entire month. So great price, you should definitely check it out. I've also included the link to Sell the Trend in the description of this video, and so that's there as well. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.